Hello. So today my challenge for you is to go through and clear out the clutter of shared documents and passwords. So this serves a couple of purposes besides just clearing out extra clutter, but also protecting your privacy and your business, your passwords, your documents, all of your business assets. So if you have ever shared documents or passwords with anybody, your best practices would be to remove access to anyone who no longer needs it. If you directly shared your login information, which I never recommend doing, but a lot of people do, definitely take a few minutes to go and change all of the passwords for those programs that you've shared in the past. Not that you ever want to think, negatively of things that could happen, but it does. Just ask my friend Eleanor. She recently had somebody really go in and just do a number on her business because, we don't really know why. We don't know why she did it, but because she had access to it. So definitely protect your assets, protect your business, and get in and remove access. So if you use something like LastPass to share your login information, that is a great way to do it. It's really easy to go in. You just log in and go to your sharing center and click on shared with others, and you can see anything that is currently shared out with someone else, and just take a look down your list, and if there's anyone who has access to something that they don't need it anymore, then just remove it. If you allowed them to view the password, which is a setting in there, I would recommend changing the password because they could still have access to it if they wrote it down or if they saved it, as like an autofill in their browser. They might not even think about it or realize it. But it's still good to go ahead and make any of those changes. Remove access, change your password. It's always good to change our passwords every now and then anyways, so you might as well just do it if you're already in there. And another thing is if you share documents. So if you use Google Docs or Dropbox or any other system for managing your business files, or any kind of files that you might share. It doesn't have to be business. It could be anything else. Go through and make sure that you remove access from anyone who doesn't have it, or for anyone who does still have it, that doesn't need it anymore. So it's really easy to do in Google Docs, just to go in and hit the little shared button. It usually looks like two, fake bodies next to each other towards the top of each document or folder, and you can remove anyone who does not need access anymore. A best practice for your business is to use something like G Suite, which they just renamed. I think it's called like Google Workspace now. But that way you can easily manage people in your business and the access that they have, and easily remove them from everything, like from your business profile completely, when they are no longer working with you. And that makes it so much easier, because otherwise you have to go into each document you ever shared with them and unshare it. So if you're not doing that now, no worries. It's just something to think about for implementing in the new year to help protect your business assets and make things streamlined, and to set up those systems to make your business run smoother. So I hope that this was helpful. And like I said, my challenge is for you to go in and at least remove access from any passwords that people don't need anymore, and to change any passwords that anyone could potentially have, to help protect you and your business, and then think about any other shared documents and cleaning that up. It's not a fun thing to do, but it is really important, and it's going to be less of a headache if you take care of it now before something bad potentially happens, than having to deal with someone hacking into your business and potentially destroying your assets and brand name. So, all right, let's get this done.